Hello, my name is Dr. Rex Gassemi. I'm one of the medical directors here at Venolase Laser Aesthetic Center.
Our thought is that people are aging, but we want people to age gracefully. And by using laser liposuction, laser facial rejuvenation, laser hair removal, and the laser vein procedures, we're able to do that and offer that to many people who potentially couldn't do it.
Smart liposuction is very useful to remove those areas of excess fat underneath the chin and the posterior arms, the abdomen, inner thighs, outer thighs, and at the bra line. As we all get older, it's very difficult to get rid of adipose or fat in these areas. And the purpose of this procedure is to just contour the body and to remove these excess areas. And this is our patient. She's a lovely lady, and she has just a little area of adipose tissue underneath the chin, which she doesn't like. And the SmartLipo procedure is a nice procedure to remove this adipose tissue with the added benefit of skin tightening, which is very important for treatment underneath the chin. We combine laser lipolysis, melting the fat with the laser, combined with liposuction. And through a little, what we call a punch biopsy, we're going to place a tiny, tiny hole, and through that small hole, we're going to perform the entire procedure. The laser lipolysis, as well as actually the liposuction itself. The SmartLipo triplex system now has had the best track record of any systems out there. It's been around for 8 years. It's actually been approved by the FDA for removal of adipose tissue. It's been featured on the Doctor Show, on Dr. Oz Show, and it really is a very effective means of patients getting these procedures done in a minimally invasive fashion under local anesthesia with very little downtime and really a very nice effective result. So you can see the laser lights right underneath the skin, and this is how Dr. Colleen knows exactly where the tip of that fiber is going. So she's heating the subdermal structure of the fat.
I decided to get SmartLipo because I wanted to feel better about my body, about myself. There was certain areas that I couldn't work off from the gym that would go away, so I needed a little bit of help. I was a little nervous, but I was excited at the same time, and I dropped like 2 dress sizes. It was excellent. The downtime was very minimal. The procedure was excellent, so I can't wait till I get some other procedures going on, like maybe a little chin, a little bit of the back, arms, what have you. But you know what? I'm going to maintain my body for as long as I can because I'm worth it. Why not feel good about yourself? Why not feel confident? If you can do it, do it. You will not feel pain. You will not go under any anesthesia. You'll wake up and you'll go home. The next day, actually, a friend of mine actually had done it too, and she was on a plane the next day. So the downtime is very little, and if it's gonna make you feel happy, do it.
We did have one patient who had the SmartLipo procedure done, and she was so happy that the following week she came to do another body part, and she's been telling all her friends that she went out dancing the following day after the procedure.
Veins, we do laser ablations, we do ambulatory phlebectomies, ultrasound-guided sclerotherapy, and visual sclerotherapy.
One thing that sets Venolase apart from some other vein centers is we do very thorough testing on every patient that comes in so that we can identify exactly what the source of their problem is and we can treat it appropriately. We have 3 different ways that we treat patients here. They're all done here in the office. Walk in, walk out an hour later. Varicose vein disease, unfortunately, does not go away on its own. It's a chronic condition that gets worse with time. So anyone with any kind of symptoms of varicose vein disease, get the testing done, find out what's going on, get the treatment before things progress.
We close this segment of the vein that's not working properly or has developed reflux with a laser procedure. It's called laser ablation to close this vein. What we do is we make a little skin neck, we put a sheath inside the greater saphenous vein. Through that sheath we put a laser, and this is actually the fiber that goes inside the sheath that closes the varicose vein. And on the ultrasound guidance, we place it in the proper position, and then we pull the laser back. And through the thermal heat and energy, the vein actually becomes thrombosed, closes. And as the laser comes back, it closes the vein, and that completes the procedure. We don't take the vein out, we leave it inside the thigh, but it becomes a closed tube.
Then follow that, we're going to go ahead and keep the process going, which is ambulatory phlebectomy and sclerotherapy.
What that entails is just putting a local anesthetic underneath the skin, and with a little tiny surgical hook or an instrument, we physically pull the veins out. And that really would complete a treatment with laser and ambulatory phlebectomy.
It's 1-day procedure. The patient comes 1 hour or half an hour.
There's very minimal downtime after the procedures. The patients could walk in, they could walk out. You know, little things like wearing a stocking is the worst part of it.
Patients walking around for years and years and years with bulging varicose veins who do not wear shorts or skirts or never go on a beach come back after these procedures are performed, and they have nice smooth legs. They're able to wear shorts again. They're able to walk out on a beach and be confident again, and certainly have less symptoms. So the responses that we get are truly remarkable, and as a physician, it really makes me very content in what we do here at Venolase.
Another procedure that we have here, which we just added, it's our latest addition, is the Smooth Shapes cellulite treatment. It's a nice treatment for individuals who don't want anything super invasive. It is a procedure that involves massage as well as laser treatment and suction therapy to help basically smooth out areas of the body that have gotten very irregular in contour due to cellulite.
It has 3 actually way to work on the cells, on the fat cells. One is suction, the other one is laser, and one is heat. So we're heating all the fat cells, and then with the laser and heating it up, and then we're smoothing it. And all these, they're gonna go through the lymphatic system, and by drinking water, we're gonna flush it out.
These areas are typically the buttocks, the front or the back of the thighs. We've had people who have also wanted on their abdomens, and we've seen some nice results after 8 treatments, which usually take 1 month to do. Each treatment takes about 10 minutes, depending on the number of body parts that are done.
It doesn't require any needles, a minimal laser and heat and suction. Patient can go to work right away. There is no side effect.
All my life I've tried to combat a little bit of cellulite. As you get older, the fat deposits get a little bit bigger, you get a little lumpier. This was excellent. I did 8 treatments and I'm so smooth. I feel so confident. I'm wearing shorts and a little skirt. It's great. You don't have to suffer through life with bumps and lumps. You know, there's a lot of stuff out there, and I was skeptical with the Smooth Shapes, but you know what? I did it and it works, and I would recommend it to everybody.
And don't forget, for any age, 80% cellulite reduction.
Venolase uses the latest technology, brand new state-of-the-art ultrasound equipment, lasers, and the latest techniques for all the treatments that we do.
We have brought here the latest and the best technology that's out on the market.
I would say about 99% of our patients are very happy with their procedures. We have patients who live about an hour away and they come here every week just to get procedures done.
Our patients are extremely satisfied after their procedures.
We offer free consultations here at Venolase. We want to encourage all our patients to come in, have a free consultation, look at the different technologies that we have to offer, speak to our expert staff, and be confident and be very happy about the procedure that they're going to undergo.